Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Instagram music not available. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Type and Tools. Check if your account is set to business, because some business categories limit music. Tap Switch Account Type and choose Personal or Creator to unlock more music options. Close Instagram completely from the Recent Apps screen. Turn on Airplane Mode for 10 seconds to refresh your connection. Turn off Airplane Mode and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open your phone settings and go to Apps. Find Instagram in the app list and open it. Tap Force Stop to fully reset the app session. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that can cause missing features. If you use Android, tap Clear Storage only if you are ready to log in again. Open Instagram and log in again if needed. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search Instagram. Tap Update to install the latest version, because music features depend on updates. After updating, restart your phone to apply changes cleanly. Open Instagram and tap the plus button to create a story or reel. Tap the music sticker in Stories or the audio option in Reels. If music is still missing, go to Settings and Privacy in Instagram again. Tap Language and set it to English, United States, to refresh feature availability. Go back and open Account Center. Tap Personal Details and confirm your age is eligible for music features. Check your VPN settings and turn off VPN, because it can change your region. Verify your country supports Instagram music, because availability is region-based. If the issue continues, go to Help and tap Report a Problem to notify Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.